Hi everybody, welcome to the replay. Happy Thursday night, happy Friday Eve. Yes, I'm still in ChalkCon in Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee to be exact. But I do have a really cool, project for you. This project is super cute. I am using the Collect Beautiful Memories transfer, which is a beautiful one and done transfer that you can use on a surface. You could do one color and be done. You could do multiple colors, whatever works for your decor. Today I'm going to use it a little differently. And we're going to be using our awesome, this is a gray reclaimed palette board. So it's a diagonal palette board, and it's going to be really cool when I'm all done. The first thing I'm going to do is prepare my surface. So we'll do a little sanding and waxing to prepare the surface, which is super easy. You can use sandpaper or a sanding block, or like you're going to see me use, I have an electric palm sander, which is so quick and easy. You don't need electric palm sander though. So we're going to do that, and then we will do some chalking and embellishing. All of my favorite things that I love to do. So bear with me as we get started, and I will drop you down so you can check out my table where I'm working. Let's make sure you can see a little bit of everything. Okay, so the first thing I said we're going to do is do a little sanding. So I'm going to pull out my palm sander, and I'm going to plug it in. I always kind of plug in my stuff as needed. All right, so I'm going to do a very, I would say light sanding, but I do want to get a little bit of distressing on here. I'm going to move this out of the way. The stuff flies everywhere. You guys know this before. Okay, so here we go. Big. I forgot to lift it up, so I got like a big mark there, but that's okay. So basically, we are just going to kind of clean this off, and then I will show you what it looks like. Look at this, I got it everywhere because I should have had it turned the other way. But that's okay. We'll get that all into the trash, and then we will wipe it clean. So here is what our board looks like now. All kind of distressed, still gray, a little bit of like a tannish color. And we're going to sweep all of this into the trash can quickly. There we go. Gosh, there's sure a lot. Okay. Oh my goodness. Then I'm going to go ahead and just wash this off, kind of get all the little particles off of here. But I do love, look at all of this. get all those particles. Okay, you guys, I think we are good to go. Put my mat back. Wipe off my board a little bit. All right. We are gonna wax this. Which I have my surface wax. This is just our Chalk Couture surface wax that we sell. You can grab that from my online shop. Here we go. And I'm just gonna wax in circles, wax on, wax off, just like the Karate Kid. This actually, I mean, I know it's gray, but it kind of looks a little bit bluish. This would look really, really cool with some nautical themed transfers. Man, I just gave myself an idea for next week. We love nautical theme. Okay, so let me grab this. All right, I think this will be our top. And I am gonna put this on here. I'm gonna go ahead and label the back. I need, I'm so sorry. I need to drink. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and peel the backer off this, you guys. If you have never chalked before, definitely start small. This is a bigger transfer. It is a C size. We have 5 sizes, A, B, C, D, and E. And this is right in the middle, but it's a little bit on the bigger side. So you want to make sure. Did you notice how I kind of peeled the backing off of the transfer? And we are going to fuzz. So I'm laying a fuzzing cloth on top of this, and I'm just gonna peel it. Just trying to fuzz all of the bits and pieces. What this does is it, because our transfers are sticky, so that they stick to your surface. When they're brand new, they're kind of a lot sticky. And so if you fuzz them with a towel, you will place a little bit of fuzz fibers from that towel will stick to that transfer, and it'll cause it to be a little less sticky. But when you wash it in water, those fibers come off and all is well. So I'm going to place this up a little bit towards the top, because like I said, I'm using this a little different way. And I'm going to grab my black chalk paste. I'm actually going to get rid of that because I'm almost out of this. So just going to kind of scoop it up into a nice, neat, like little pile. Then grab my small squeegee, and I'm going to do these words in black. And we're just going to go across all the words, not the design part. The design part I'm actually not going to use today. So I said we're using this a little bit differently than the way it was intended. It's got pretty little like floral bits to it, but we're just going to use the words here. And I think it is going to turn out pretty cool. Just going to kind of get the excess off here. Pick up a little bit more to finish this off. And there we go. Okay. Make sure it's smooth. I know we have a few places. If you are new to me, I would love it if you would join my customer group. I have this really awesome free group on Facebook. It is going to give you more inspiration, more ideas, and insider information from me. So all you have to do is type add me into the comments and I will send you that link. Now let's peel and reveal this right now. Ooh, it looks really cool. Let you guys see a little bit more of it. I'm gonna take this over here to my water station where I'm gonna wash it off immediately. I'm putting it in water and using my hands to kind of get all of the chalk paste off. And then I'm gonna use the board eraser, which is a handy little spongy tool to get all of the chalk paste off of your transfer and your boards when you're washing your boards. Works really well. So this is a pretty big transfer, so it takes just a minute to wipe it all down. Make sure it's all good and clean. And then we're going to make sure all the little fibery fuzz is off of the sticky side, because you can clean that as well. And then we have to lay it to dry. And what we do is we put the transfer, lay it on its front so that the sticky side is actually facing up. And then be good to go. Now I'm going to dry this with our drying tool. I hope you guys have enjoyed the past few days with all of my chalk club layouts. If you are a member of my club, you'll be getting that transfer if you don't already have it in your hot little hands. But if you are not a member, definitely type club in the comments, because I will send you the link so you can check out what our chalk club is. It's called Chalk Couture, and it's a subscription program. You get a monthly kit mailed to you for just $19.99 a month, and you end up with all sorts of perks because you're a member. Last week we just had our members only special where club members get really awesome things, and you can find out more about that when you are inside my VIP group, my customer group. So there are 2 things you can do to check out more about all of the stuff that I do, all my chalky stuff. So we are definitely getting this dried. And once this is totally dry, so if you're doing a project, generally, if you don't dry it with like a hair dryer or the quick dry tool, it will take like 8 to 10 minutes to dry on its own. So you just want to be mindful of that. For us, I'm doing a really cool like embellishment thing with this. And so I wanted to make sure it was dry before I started messing with, you know, what we're doing here. And okay. So I'm going to take my scissors and cut through. I have this really cute burlap that is like a checked burlap. Just drop my scissors. And I'm going to gather it at the bottom here. And can you even see what I'm doing? I am going to make a double, you'll see, make a double knot here with the ends going in opposite directions. I have to pull it pretty tight, and then I will try to open this up so that it's a little more, it's showing a little more of the pattern. There we go. Now you can trim these if you want to do the like the dovetail cut. I really like the look the way it is right here exactly. You could add oh gosh, how cute would it be to add like little dangles from here. Like I have wooden flowers, I have wooden beads, different like burlap things, because you could add like open up that flower and set it there. Like you could add different things to it. I think I'm gonna leave it exactly the way it is. I really like the simplicity of it, and now I have burlap in my hair, and it's so easy. So this is a bigger transfer. However, the concept was so easy. All I did was I took the diagonal board, I sanded it down, I took the Collect Beautiful Memories, I didn't use the floral pieces, I added the words, and then I just did the burlap. And this is a really cool piece because on the back it has this frame where you can hang it. So you don't even need to put anything on here. It'll just hang on your wall or go in a stand or just lean it up against something. So cute, so easy, really easy. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this. Pretty simple. Just 2 things plus the black chalk paste, your squeegee, and then your own embellishing ribbon, and we're good to go. Catch me tomorrow, you guys, because it's Wine Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern. Friday, I will be live with another cute project. Don't miss me. Don't be late. I hope to see you soon. And of course, I will be going live and giving you some updates on what's going on at our convention. If you are curious about becoming a designer like me, type team in the comments and I will go ahead and send you a link to my opportunity group where you can check out all the details. Have a really great night, you guys. Bye, everybody.